Checo Bancale. Recto. Gets it to Sidorifa. All the time in the world para kay Jojo. Bancale tumagat. Ball knocked away by Labastida. Nakuha ni Koga ang loose ball. Koga sends it to Medina. Recto with a challenge, but Medina puts it in anyway. Can't secure the rebound.
Nagkabanggaan sila ni Gamalinda doon. Nung hawak yung ball, ang Koga will turn the ball over.
Recto to Magat. Magat shoots and scores.
Nice use of a step back, no? As the defense of Parañaque at ball screen was a hard hedge. Ito yung palpal ni Magat kay Cruz. Ito na ulit ang tama raw.
Magat running recto to Bancale for 2+1. 50-34, steal. Bancale, Sidorifa, recto. Gamalinda gets the steal against Koga. And Parañaque back to its old habits here.
Correct. I've been waiting for the buzzer to sound, actually, for a timeout or something. Play goes on.
15-2
There you go.
scoring this quarter. Paulo Andres scores off the glass and in. Pasaol. 3.5 minutes gone by in the second half. Bam Bam, quick spin. Umilag. He puts it in. What's the foul?
Maybe sinabi nito si Bam Bam, look at this quick spin. Tulad ng sinabi mo, and the finish on the other side.
I'm sure, ikaw kasi, I know you never take a game for granted. I know you. You never take a possession off.
You're absolutely right, because I guess it comes with age. Basketball player, it's a short career. So when you come to the finish line, or almost to the finish line, as Sidorifa,
Lalo na ngayon.
because you never know when is the next.
Lalo na ngayon, nakikita ko, nagpo-post ka na ng highlights mo. Libreng-libre si Sidorifa.
Let me tell you a secret, okay?
Changing lives. See, something good has come out of it.
I'm not sure if it's good.
Rambam Gamalinda. JV De La Cruz for 3. Oh, Caspe with a rebound. And JJ Caspe.
Here in MPBL
yeah.
Season 3.
Well,
Let me ask you something about that. Since we're talking as Caspe, or De La Cruz rather, misses the jumper. Di ba nung inaugural season natin, as you see the layup right here, Val Acuña, yes, finals MVP yun. Tama?
Yeah.
Because I don't remember having
parang ano
awards.
Siya, parang, I remember it was like, parang, yun na lang din yung, parang de facto MVP award natin that season.
Correct. And Season 2, since si John Wilson Season 3, MPBL player to win the season MVP is Gab Banal, technically.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the first player to do it twice, it's not looking good for them.
Yeah. I might as well wear my prophetic hat right now. In the silver anniversary, as you see, Caspe.
Kung JB, ano rin he's still young. Ano daw tayo daw magko-cover nun eh.
Oh my gosh. De La Cruz with a nice
Grabe,
jumper.
17 years of preparation for that reunion game, ha?
Right. Because, especially if, let's say, Abra they have yet to lose in a year. And I'm saying this
More than a year. More than a year.
Okay. Hours before the showdown against San Juan tonight, obviously. Less than a minute in this quarter. Let's say they head into that direction of another unbeaten season, back-to-back champions sila. Then we gotta see them in the MPBL silver anniversary.
Ojo, and it's 4-on-1 here. Montuano, basket and one. Paulo Castro in a rush block by Caspe.